Hi, it's Nancy here from Nancy's Craft Room, and I have been missing in action for a while. It's been summer and I choose to spend my time out of doors, and my crafting tends to take a back seat to that. But now the days are getting shorter and the weather's getting cooler. I'm trying to get back into my creative practice. So I've been working with the Simon Says Stamp August 2018 card kit called Mandy's Flower, and I was inspired by a video from Sally Stamper where she made a card kit, and so that's what I'm going to show you today. I don't have any actual videos of me creating the cards. As I try to get back into this creative process, I find it disrupting to try to videotape what I'm doing until I get my creative juices flowing. So I'm just going to show you today what I actually prepared. So like I said, this was inspired from Sally's Stamper, and there is a detailed video on the process that she prepared on YouTube, and what she was working on was a Christmas gift card set. And I've written down the dimensions here, and I'll type them up and go place them on my blog if you're interested in getting them. So this is what the stamp set looks like, and I've used just a few of the products from the stamp kit. And then I also use this beautiful rose stamp as a background on some of the cards that I've made. So here is the card kit, and I'll create a belly band when I decide to give this away that'll wrap around this. And I don't know that you actually even need it. You could even put a little piece of Velcro on there if you want. So this is one of the stamps from the kit, and I used the watercolors to prepare that. And then I just glued this lace band down. And we'll start with the cards first. This is the background stamp that I used. I created several panels of it and then just cut it down. And then I used some die cuts that I had in my stash, and the thank you sentiment from the kit. This was also part of the kit. And I made these two cards, and I didn't put anything on the inside. I thought I'd leave that to the recipient to put whatever they like in it. And then I always put my initials and the date that I made or at least the year that I made the card. Then these two cards are still, the enamel droplets are still drying, so I haven't actually stuck them into the kit. But this was pattern paper that came with the kit. This is one of the sentiments that was in there, and then I just cut some black cardstock down to make this outline. And then on these I did stamp them with love sentiment that was included in the kit. So I made two of those. They're exactly the same. And then I made four 3x3 cards, and I just did some different sentiments. Got the thank you for your love, thank you for your kindness, a special gift for you, and from my heart to yours. And then lastly are the tags, and I used some more of that pattern paper. These were actually some of the scraps from, I think I did 2 panels, and it made all of the stuff that you see. So I used the For You sentiment that was in the kit, and I made 3 of them that were exactly the same, and stamped the heart that was in the one of the stamps that was in the kit. And then this one I just decided to try something a little different and did it at an angle. And then here is the body of the kit. So these little panels you make individually, these 3, and then you glue them onto this piece of the panel. So there's all kinds of things that you could use this for and be creative with. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use this as my base the next couple of videos that I make for the card kits that I do. I find that that might help me get back into the creative process. So that's what I did with the Simon Says Stamp August card kit, and I hope that may inspire you in some way. And thanks for visiting me. We'll see you soon.